Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need your favorite tea bags, a clean cup, and a spoon. Next, locate the electric kettle, which is often provided in hotel rooms, and ensure you have access to fresh, cold water. Always check that all your items are clean and ready for use before you begin brewing your perfect cup. Achieving the right water temperature is crucial for a great cup of tea. Begin by filling the electric kettle with fresh, cold water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line or go below the minimum. Place the kettle firmly on its heating base and switch it on. Wait patiently for the water to reach a vigorous, rolling boil, at which point most kettles will automatically turn off. Now it's time to steep your tea to perfection. Gently place one tea bag into your clean, empty cup. Once the water has boiled, carefully pour it over the tea bag, ensuring it is fully submerged. Allow the tea to steep for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You can adjust this time slightly, steeping longer for a stronger brew or shorter for a milder flavor. Your delicious cup of tea is almost ready. Carefully remove the steeped tea bag from your cup and dispose of it in the waste bin. Now, personalize your tea by adding milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon, according to your preference. Give it a gentle stir with your spoon, and then take a moment to savor your perfectly brewed, hotel-style tea. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.